Do not park in the 1940 parking garage, but instead follow the right turn into the 333 John Carlisle in 1900 visitor parking. You will turn right into the visitor parking garage. As you enter, simply press the screen for a parking ticket and continue straight ahead. Street parking is also available by the meter. As you drive through, you'll notice that P1 is strictly for reserved parking. Continue down to P2. As you make this slight right into the P2 area, be sure to pay attention to the signage. Look up and you'll notice the 1900 pointing to the left direction. As you look to the left, this section might be slightly misleading. However, continue down the 1900 Duke Street parking on the P2 level. Feel free to park in any of the available spaces on the P2 level or on P3 or P4. Elevators on this side of the garage will take you directly to our suite on the first level. Welcome to the new office.